Today we're going to look at some results. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I got a lot of results for you. These are going to be pretty interesting. So as you can see here, just kind of want to hide the names, I guess. 15-day results in my folder here, and then but online is much quicker. So there are people that that say disputing online electronically is not good. One lawyer stated, well, here's the thing. People that dispute by mail are going to propagate, okay, and spread propaganda. So people that say this or that claim things, you have to have data to back it up. I have data to back it up. Statistics, let's look at 2% are being answered. 2%, something like that. Okay, look at this. This is from the CFPB right here. Okay, from the CFPB website. And this is recent. This is only like a year ago, but this has been going on for many years. Okay, repair from when it started, 1970, 1980s. Lexington Law was founded in the 80s, 90s, late 80s, 90s, early 90s. And you can see how disputes were responded to, what the average credit score was here, okay? New information's bankruptcy, okay? Discharge bankruptcy, there's new information here. This is important. This new information is good.